So hi guys, in this video I will be telling you how to make your free site like this. I haven't paid for this domain or hosting, nothing like that. It's absolutely free, and I know it's really, like I told you, I will be uploading it weeks ago, but due to some reason I wasn't able to. So let's just begin. So this is a website, my.freenom.com. This is a website where you will get your free website link. It's optional whether you want it or not, because like this is a go to this website, app.infinitefree.net. okay, sign up here and you will see like let me just show you. Like here it is showing that sign up option. Sign up there. You have to create an account here. After creating an account, click on this button, create account button, and you can write your domain like whatever you like, but the reason why I'm not recommending this because it contains extension like this .love2blog.com वगैरह like that. So that's why I'm not recommending this to you. Better you go to this place and like in services, go to register a new domain. You have to simply sign up there, create your ID and stuff, and after that click on this register our new domain. Let's just open the new tag and this will be a single video. I won't be editing here. So like you can see, it's just showed you a new web page, and like let's say amazing panda, I guess, amazing panda in China. So this is a name of my new website, Amazing Panda in China. So click check availability. As you can see, this .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf and .gq are only free. Rest for .com and the rest of the others you have to pay. So let's just say and you must know that .tk doesn't work on this free hosting site, so make sure you get any other one from these four. I will be taking .cf. Click on checkout and checkout. So let me just remove this one, and to the period take it as 12 months at the rate 3. This one I have taken like year or so before, like 2 years before, and it's still working and I haven't paid anything. So let's just continue. Will ask your email address. So let me just write it here. So go to my domains. China. So I will be using this one. Click on manage domain. I'm going to copy this one. password, so I will be just leaving it empty and click on create account. Okay, so it's saying that your domain is not pointing to this. Copy this and just change the name server at your domain register and wait a few hours. So let me just check whether manage tool name server. So name server, copy paste this one and copy this one again and then paste this one. Change name server and I know it's really slow website, but it's free, so it won't be like complaining about it. So let's just continue. After changing the name server, click this button and go to view client area. There you will see your everything about your domain, and then go to control panel. This is the place where we will be creating a domain. Click on I approve. So as you can see, I will be pasting like just a second. .messy app. So as you can see, they are not able to find the website, so let's just go to home. Actually we were at home, so here you have to click on this button, apps installer. Click on it. So in this video I will not be telling you how you will code your website, so I will be using simple WordPress. So I'm going to click on install. Click install. Click install. Just click on install. Like I will be just taking a template from this. Like I will be using this one. Okay, and click on install. What is saying, the name, admin name, where is it? Okay, like Pragasm Prag. Users, select and install. It will take 3 to 4 minutes, and after that this page will be similar to the one we have selected before. So let's just wait. These are totally free, so you don't have to pay anything. Let's just check whether it's working right now. Okay, so I'm going to the administrative URL. Somehow it's not working. Just give me a second. Install, open. So let me just hint edit account. So as you can see, it's showing us status pending creation. So it will be taking some time, and when this will be completed I will continue the video. Okay, as you can see right now it's been like 20 minutes since I created this website, so let me just show you again. Go to installations and click on. After that you will see, let me just amazing. As you can see, it has created the website, and currently it's holding that default background and default things given by the WordPress. So let me just tell you how to customize this site. So click on customize and install theme. So I will be using this live preview. Click on activate and publish. You can change like this button or these things shown here, change the background image, everything through these. Like it's for the title and it's for the banner, background image, this one. So you can customize it however you like. So let me just show you how can you change the color. Like this button color is changing. So let me just select the color, and after doing all your customization, click on activate and publish. It's just wait a second and click on activate and publish. As you can see, earlier it was looking like this, and now it's showing published. So let me just refresh it. Let me go to like you can see right now, it's showing really beautiful website created by WordPress. I will be just using the theme they provided, and that's it. In the previous video I have shown you how you can make your web app from this website. So that would be easier if you watched it. Just search Pragasm Prag, and as you can see, this is the video. You can create your app, Android app basically, in just 10 minutes, and it's really easy. So leave a like and subscribe my channel, and I will be posting some more videos like this in future. So please do subscribe my channel and hit on that notification button. Subscribe and click on this notification button.